Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com, bringing you again the latest look at tropical cyclones, United States, severe thunderstorm weather, etc. Right, that's our word. So here is Cyclone Ita, and once more, I still do not have the government agency warnings. Governmental, that's probably not even a word. But I can tell you that the Bureau of Meteorology at the moment does not have any watches and warnings, but of course it's quite far away from Australia at the moment. And this thing could be a fairly meaty cyclone, depending on how things go. So here's another view, a zoomed out view of Ita/Ita, however that storm's name is pronounced. Then there's Peipah/Domain. So this thing, you can see the outer bands kind of already starting to hit the Philippines. Again, the loop stopped. There we go. There's a zoomed out view of that. In Pagasa, it doesn't look like they have any signal warnings on this, but you should obviously, if you're over there, stay tuned to their website to see what they're saying about the latest hazards with this storm. Probably going to be some good amounts of rain with it. Possibly not too bad on the winds, though, if it doesn't strengthen, but obviously pay attention to what they're saying. And that is basically it right now as to what's occurring. In the United States, there's actually some severe thunderstorm warnings. In fact, that would be these orangish type things. That's a special marine warning, which is basically, from what I understand, a severe thunderstorm warning out over the water. But no tornado warnings. That's good at the moment anyhow. So in general, there's going to be as high as a 15% chance of winds, 5% chance of hail, 5% chance of a tornado. Here are the watches. They're in effect at the moment. 2 tornado watches, one expiring at 9 p.m. Eastern, the other at 11 Eastern. And then in general today, here are your threat areas. So this is the wind map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds, 5% back here. And then, of course, there's your slight risk areas today. Hail, apparently not a huge threat with this storm system-ish type thing, because that's probably not related to this stuff at all, right? Hail, this would be the map for 1 inch or larger hail. And of course, most importantly, the tornado map. And the nice thing about this map versus yesterday, none of the black hatched areas. Doesn't mean you can have a significant tornado, it's just not as favorable conditions as it was yesterday. So 5% is a pretty high-ish number. But as I like to say, to give it some context, on the really rare tornado outbreak type days, that's when you see things like 45%. So 5% is still something to be concerned about and to pay attention, obviously. If you're in one of the affected areas, tomorrow moves on to down here and down there, but 5% chance. But of course, they could bump that up. Who knows? But after that, relaxed and groovy. Maybe, or at least as of now, it's forecasted to be relaxed and groovy. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website. Yes, and you should go there. You should go wherever you get your weather and pay attention to it, just in case Mother Nature is trying to kill you. It could be happening right now as we speak or something. Anyway, that is it for today. Have fun.